Good morning, everyone. Today we will be seeing some functions, some formulas in MS Excel. Let us first start with totaling, right? So to total the given numbers, right, we have one formula, right? And that formula is called the sum formula. So let me write some random numbers right down. Uh, 24, 53, 67, 82, 93, and 40, right? Now, these are the numbers. I want to find the sum of them. Sum मतलब total करना है मुझे. Total करने के लिए see I can use calculator, and if बहुत less numbers I can count it on my fingers also, orally also. But if you have a large number of numbers, digits, right? So that time you will need some formula. Excel, it makes our work very easy. So for that, let me show you the formula to total it up. So just select the cell where you want the total. Suppose I want total over here. Each and every formula starts with equal to sign. Now I want to total all this. So for that I have sum. We have two ways to total it out. I'll show you the first way, right? First way is open the bracket and select one by one cell and try putting comma. Select the second one, comma, third one, comma, fourth, comma, fifth, comma, sixth, and then bracket close. Press enter key. See, this is the total, right? This was the first method. Let me show you the second method. It is quite more easy, less time consuming and energy consuming. Again, it starts with same thing, equal to sum, bracket, select everything. After opening the bracket, whichever digits you want, just select each one of them and then bracket close and enter. See, this also shows the sum, right? Okay, right. Now this was how to do the sum, right? Now next we have is average. How to find average. Okay, now to find average, usually what do? You total all the digits and divide it by the number of terms, right? Suppose if I want to find the average of this, so manually how do you do? 24 plus 53 plus 67 plus 82 plus 93 plus 14, divide everything. उसका टोटल डिवाइड करो किसके साथ? टोटल नंबर ऑफ डिजिट्स. कितने डिजिट्स है? टोटल 6 डिजिट्स है, राइट? 1 2 3 4 5 6. तो सबको टोटल करके यू डिवाइड इट बाय 6, राइट? बट ये छोटे से नंबर्स हैं. व्हाट इफ यू हैव अ लार्ज नंबर? So for that, again you have formula that is equal to, right? Equal to, then average. Again two methods, same as sum. Bracket open करेंगे, select one by one, comma, next one, comma, third, comma, fourth, comma, fifth, comma, sixth, and bracket close, enter. This is your average, right? The second method, the more easy one, equal to average, bracket, and then what you'll do? You will select everything from starting to ending, close the bracket, enter. Again, this is how you find your average, right? Okay. Now, next topic, let's see, that is sorting, right? Okay. Another thing I forgot to tell. Suppose if I do some changes over here, 53 की जगह पे मैं डाल दूँ सिर्फ 3. So what will happen? If I change in the main numbers, the answer also automatically gets changed. See, है ना? यहाँ पे मैं सिर्फ 7 डाल दूँ. Average में भी, sum में भी, जो भी formulas डालोगे, if you change the digits, the answer also gets changed, right? Now, let's see sorting and filtering, right? Okay, sorting, that means either you put your data, convert your data in ascending order or descending order, right? Ascending, that means arranging them in small to big order. Descending means arranging them from big to small order, right? So either you can, okay, numbers, if you get numbers, you can easily sort them in ascending and descending. What about alphabets? Alphabets also you can sort it. Suppose if you are sorting them from A to Z, that means you are arranging them in ascending order. If you are arranging them from Z to A, that will be your descending order, right? So if I have a number of numbers and names, and if I want to sort them out, Excel, it gives you a feature called sort and filter. Let's use it. I'll show you how to use it. Let me write down some random name: zebra, monkey, parrot, donkey, cat, dog, right? Suppose मैंने इतना लिखा है, right? Now I want to arrange them in A to Z or Z to A. So for that, what you'll do? First, you need to select compulsory. You need to select the data which you want to sort. Now click on sort and filter over here. See, Z to A to Z, Z to A. Select whatever you want. Suppose you want to convert it into ascending order, Z to A. Click on Z to A. देखो हो गया Z to A, right? If you want it in, sorry, A to Z. If you want it in Z to A, Z to A, right? This is how you sort them. What about numbers? Let us try about numbers. 65, 73, 24, 56, 13, 31. Okay. Now these are all randomly ordered. Let's sort it. A to Z, see, small to big, right? Z to A, big to small, right? Okay. That's all for today, children. We'll continue with other topics in the next class.